Hello everyone, Von Marie here, and thank you for joining me today. So we're going to make a slimline card, and we're going to use the Daisies embossing folder. I've been wanting to use that embossing folder. It's been in my stash, as well as this slimline windows die and the Elephantastic stamp set. And I just love those cute elephants, so I am going to be stamping them on white cardstock. It's 110 pound, and I'm going to stamp with some black ink, with Memento black ink, and I am going to stamp all three of them because I think they're really cute, and that's why I wanted to do a slimline card so I could use all three of them. I did think about making some note cards, just some small note cards, so maybe that will be one of my next projects. But for this project, it's the slimline, and I'm just going to color one of these elephants with you, and I have my colors up above. Really simple. I think they're really easy to color, and you can color them any color. I do love elephants. My daughter loves elephants, and so I thought these were really cute. I love their eyes. They're so, how can you not smile when you see them? And the pun sentiments are just so great. I love pun sentiments, and so I enjoy cute stamps like this, and it would be really cute if even if I just kept it as is and had all three elephants colored up like that. But I don't have the coordinating dies, and there is also masks you can get for these elephants, so that is always great to mask a elephant and then make a background. So that is on my wish list. The masks are great. So almost done, and I'm just going to add some pink for the ears and for the cheeks. And so cute. So color those up, and here they are. And so like I said, you could put a sentiment in the center, but I'm going to fussy cut them, and they were really simple to do. I also have my brother's scan and cut, but if I can fussy cut, then I will do it. It's not a big deal for me, although I do love dies. So I will just cut those out, and then I will show you what they look like. And just going around here. And here they are. Super cute. I love them. And here is my Windows slimline die, and I cut it out with white cardstock, and I'm trying to get a feel for how I want my design. As you know, I have no plan in mind, just kind of what I'm thinking. But I'm going to run this Windows die and all the inlay die cuts with the Daisies embossing folder, and it would look great just like that too with the daisies on there. I love what it looks like, but I'm going to ink blend it with some Lost Shadow Distress ink, and I think that will match my elephants. And so I think it looks really great, and I'm just ink blending, which was really simple and easy to do. I'm also going to ink blend the slimline part of this die cut here with some Saltwater taffy, and I was just trying to ink blend them carefully. Just add some color to match my elephants. So really carefully just ink blending it. I could have layered it to make it more sturdy, but it was really easy. And then I will put my card base there. It's my dark gray card base. And then I cut out the word happy. I already had the first die cut with holographic, and then I cut out 2 more layers so that I can make that a little bit thicker. And I'm just going to inlay all of my pieces. And super easy to do. I love inlaying the pieces back in, and I love the texture from the daisies on there. And then I will try and figure out how I want my elephants. And I'm also going to stamp and heat emboss my sentiment, which says, the word says happy, and then this says, you are elephantastic. So happy, you are elephantastic. So I think that's cute to send someone. And just adding a foam strip, a couple of foam strips to that. And then I will add some foam dots to the back of my elephants for a little bit of dimension. And I will add it to all 3 of them. And just holding my word down and then adding my elephants. And I will embellish with some mermaising, just 3 silver confetti sequins, and I will add some white gel accents. So this card, I think, came together, just cutting that piece off, came together really quickly, and I love these cute elephants. They're so adorable. So I had so much fun making this card, and I can't wait to use them again. And I'm just adding my 3 sequins. And so I hope you like this card. It was simple yet cute, and I will be back soon with another card tutorial, and I will have what I listed in the details down below, and then just adding a few white gel pen accents here. And then I will share a close-up. I think that happy word die is so great. I love it. And okay, and what? No. Here we go. Have a wonderful day.